Alright, so we're trying to figure out which kind of Alcantara we want to put on the ceiling of the headliner, as you say in the car world. It's been suggested to us by Errol that the lighter colors make the cabin feel roomier. Darker colors make it feel closed in, as has been experienced by humans throughout history.
Ours has got the black stitching, hasn't it?
On the seats, hopefully on the wall as well, door panels. So ours will be all brown, the whole thing, not this two-tone brown and gray. So, which is best to go with for the ceiling? What are your thoughts? You were going for this before, weren't you?
I think you can't roll them. Oh, no, it's just somewhat either one of them, wasn't it? All right. Sit it there and look at it.
Yeah. See what starts to grab you over time. Maybe take it out into the sun too.
Yeah, well, it's definitely a different color in the sun.
Yeah. Today was a bit of a slow day with time to consider paint options and Alcantara colors for the ceiling. Day 24, and the place is almost deserted. The tumbleweeds should be rolling by any time, and Clint Eastwood will probably roll in on his pale horse. Bruce and I are here. We're thinking about putting oil doors on, at least getting them prepared and fitted. And Bruce left. There he is. So what are you up to today, Bruce?
Trying to make these brakes work.
Yes. That will make it easier to stop.
Mm-hmm. We have a
Different options for placement.
no. There should be a cutout in here somewhere, but it's not there.
They're inspecting the high wing, and he hasn't seen it yet. You didn't even see it with the engine on, did you?
No.
Yeah, so the engine.
Only on the video, though.
All right. There's the propeller. Not our propeller, but
Of course it's dusty.
of course, everything's dusty in here. And carving out composites and stuff. Too bad we didn't get a picture of the setup on one of the factory installed, just to see how they did it.
I've got Jackson.
Of course. Can you let it down? It should be sitting on that.
Oh, it's sitting on this solid. James just lifted it the other day. We did move that table back.
So it used to be fitted by the factory. It's now thrust upon the builder.
See, and that's going to hit on the bottom. So.
Putting the center vent in. Did it say something about drilling the holes from the inside? Or?
Yeah, that will take it off. They said you might have to file the hole out, but it doesn't look like it's too big.
There's plastic on it. Your favorite job. Decided to rain. Yeah, it looks like we'll have to paint it. Can't have it nice and shiny with all that writing on there.
Well, where it comes from. Deal with that one and take it off.
Mm.
That'll fit pretty good.
We also discussed the colors we should paint the seat frames and other trim features. And since it was just Bruce and I and we were running out of things to do and needed our build assist, we knocked off early and headed home. 2 days later, my son and I headed off with Errol and Mitch down to Parks for the Bush Cat build. 5 days, 25 ladies, quite an epic adventure, and guess who did the video? We drove down 11 plus hours, but on the way back we flew Errol's High Wing, which was quite the highlight.